Start drinking clove water and unlock hidden health secrets. Grandma's miracle drink revealed. Stay with me until the end of this video. You'll discover essential information you never knew you needed. The unexpected power of a simple kitchen spice. Imagine holding a secret weapon in your kitchen, a humble spice that's been quietly waiting to transform your health. Clove water isn't just another trendy health drink, it's a centuries-old remedy packed with surprising benefits that modern science is now confirming. Why clove water? The surprising truth. Most people walk past cloves in their spice rack, completely unaware of the powerhouse sitting right under their nose. But what if I told you that this tiny spice could be your body's ultimate ally? Let's dive into the science behind this incredible drink. The scientific breakdown. What makes cloves so special? Cloves are more than just a flavoring, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Loaded with antioxidants, these tiny buds are like nature's own superhero. Here's what makes them extraordinary. 1. Incredible antioxidant power. Packed with eugenol, a compound that fights free radicals, helps protect your cells from damage and aging. Studies from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, show remarkable cellular protection. 2. Immune system boost. Natural antimicrobial properties. Helps your body fight off potential infection. Supports overall immune function. 3. Metabolic magic. Potential to improve insulin sensitivity. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Research from Mayo Clinic suggests promising metabolic benefits. How to make the perfect clove water. Grandma's secret recipe. Practical preparation guide. Take 3-4 whole clove. Steep in hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Best consumed in the morning on an empty stomach. Important health warnings. Disclaimer: consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Individual results may vary. Moderation is key. Not recommended for pregnant women or those with specific health conditions. What happens to your body? The unexpected transformation. When you start drinking clove water consistently, you might experience improved digestion, enhanced immune response, potential weight management support, increased energy levels, real-world impact, more than just a drink. This isn't about miracle cures, it's about giving your body the support it craves. Clove water is a gentle, natural approach to wellness that works with your body's natural processes. Your 30-day challenge. Challenge yourself. Drink clove water daily for 30 days and track your energy levels. Monitor your overall well-being. Take notes on any changes. Share your experience in the comments. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. This simple drink could be your first step towards a more vibrant, energetic you. Don't just watch, take action. Final call to action. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's embark on this wellness journey together. Drop a comment below. Have you tried clove water before?